Gold next, oil, EUR, USD, GBP, JPY, AUD, USD, USD, CAD, XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin and Amazon are all going to be called out next. You're in the money on that buy on US 30, NAS, and SPX I just called out seconds ago. I'm going to start calling out trades on. We got to get going. On TikTok first. Matter of fact, I might only call them out there at all. We'll see. That might build up TikTok too. All right. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Just called the buy stop in US 30, NAS, and SPX on TikTok. Already in the money. Called it out on Friday also, just so we're clear. In the money on that trade from Friday. Huge, actually. And it keeps going up before your very eyes. You're in the money on that too. Good morning, Leon. Good morning, John. Good morning, Kelly. Good morning, Mike Moyhan. Good morning, Ryan. Good morning, Jan. Good morning, Zim. Good morning, Raider Trader. Good morning, Banner Video, Mr. C. Good morning, Leon. Good morning, John. Oh, thanks, John. Appreciate that. That was pretty good buy stop. We called on Friday. Good morning, D Nice. Good morning, Annie. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. I already made some call outs on TikTok. I reiterated the buy stop that I called out towards SPX US 30 15-minute blue line on 8-9. And of course, the daily buy. Let me see. I might have to move this over a little bit for people on TikTok. What I'm going to do when I don't have the treadmill for a month in Vegas. Guess we'll figure it out. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, Julius. All right. Play any buy stop you can until the 15-minute blue lines are hit on US 30, NAS, and SPX. I made that call a little bit ago on TikTok. Then I came live on YouTube. I.e., you might want to pay attention to the YouTube. Probably going to do the first 5 minutes or so on TikTok live first. The more I think about it too, I think we're going to have a TikTok only day. Probably what I'll do. So when we get back from Vegas, I'll probably be doing private group for people who actually bought the system or going to be buying the system. A day or two a week, we'll do a TikTok only day where I only call out trades on TikTok. Interesting. I'll see. Fun times. Still 10-second buy stop US 30 again and again and again. You'd already be up shit tons. First call that I made was back there. That's a lot of money, I bet. Cool. Hope you all had a great weekend. Hope you had a blessed weekend. Hope you're healthy. Hope you're happy. Look at all that money live. Crazy. You just made money on the US 30 buy stop I called out a second ago. You're going to see the green little bullshit detector. Why isn't my name up there? Fill in that gap right here. Doop. See it? It just did it. Just did it live. What the fuck's going on? Yo, what? There you go. That just went up. You just saw the pink line cross and go up. It's not much on that individual one because it's 10 seconds, but you add these all together from when I first called it, which was right here, you'd be up on US 30 alone. 47 pips, so about 50 pips. I went live on TikTok first, made the call out for you. Once, buy, stop, green, 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 red. Twice, fill in the gap, fill in the gap, fill in the gap, fill in the gap. And there you go. Excuse me. SPX 15-minute touch. Nice. I'll check it out. What's up, LD? What's up, Nathan? What's up, Larry? Again. What's up, George? Thank you, Mike Moyan and Raider Trader, for being both on TikTok and YouTube. Always appreciated. Appreciated. Whatever that word is. Let's see SPX real quick. Oh, really? Hold on one second. There we go. Yeah, close enough. I agree. Excellent call, Jan. SPX hit its 15-minute blue line on 8/9 on Friday morning, probably around this time. I made that exact call. So how did I make a call 3 days ago that has now come true? Buy stop towards SPX US 30 15-minute blue line. How did I make a call 3 days ago that came true right now? Good morning, Helena. Good morning, Caribbean GTR. Good morning, Brian. How did I make a call? Well, you can clearly see they're all flipping the green now, but at the time they were all red and weird. Interesting how I did that. Look at that touch. Now that's getting right to it. I think we kissed it at this point, Jan. Let's see. Yep. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. I don't think it gets any closer. I think that is a touchdown. Yeah, I'd have to give that little wick up there a touchdown. Yay. Y'all, I know y'all made money on that trade if you took it for demo. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Super quick. We do have a patent pending, and we do have a trademark issued right here. Boop, so happy, so thankful. To the Safe Trade System for me, in case some of you people out there don't understand what a patent pending is. It is a temporary patent protecting everything that you see on my screens. It's called a provisional patent. I do have a registered trademark protecting all the names used for all the indicators. So no one can possibly use it in anything to do with Class 41 coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading. NDA protected program. Anyone caught using this for any reason other than their own personal use will be charged. One of our people was trying to sell coaching on this. You can't do coaching on my system. Fucking people out there. No. Just a hard no. Anywho. We have a disclaimer, legal disclaimer, stating that I am not a financial advisor. We only trade demo. I'm not a licensed qualified investment advisor. You guys are grown adults. Do your own research. I am just a social media influencer with a cool store. We only trade the green up arrow and the down red arrow. Please type yes if you understand that. And back to trading. Look at how gorgeous that was. Woo! And I do believe SPX beat US 30 to it, right? And that's a big deal because this is a long-term one too. Long-term. Oh, yeah. Abso-fucking-lutely. What's up is my time. Good morning, it's my time. Morning, Andrew. The last big wins in this history in the making. No, I don't think it won. Didn't Naz beat it already there? Yeah, I think Naz. Oh, SPX was the winner. Holy shit. Yes, John Parker, that it literally is history in the making. SPX will get second place now and then, but to be first? Damn. That is historic, actually. I'd say there's only 10% of the time, maybe 20% of the time at most, it'll be first on any time period, let alone a longer term one. That's amazing. Damn, I thought Naz hit it already. Nope. We have SPX as the number one. Wow. SpongeBob would be proud. He was number one. Victor Shafusha Mushenbach. Oh, shit. There goes all my nuts. Morning, Grant. Morning, Brian. Morning, Helena. Morning, Andrew again. Morning, Mr. C. Good morning, Mike. Mike Snyder, Ken Louder. Good morning, Ken. Morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Nice for SPX. I feel good about that. Play any buy stops you can find from 10 seconds through 10 minutes to the 15-minute blue line of US 30. As called out on 8-9. I'm not changing that. The only thing I have to look at is, are the sell stops until the SPX 3 hour still valid? I do not know. I'll check that in a minute. Well, I'm glad y'all made some money on that trade. God bless you all. Demo money. I don't know if I'm trading through open or not this morning. Me and Keith have a lot to go over. I'll be calling him at 9:30. I have a lot to do anyways. We'll see. I already made some money. You're good. I'm going to call out gold, oil, ERUSD, GBP, JPY, AUD, USD, USD CAD, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Amazon soon. Not at this moment. So at this moment, we've had quite a few new members join lately, so I want to thank everybody and welcome them. We have a training class, not this week, but next week. So if you buy the system between now and Monday, you'll be able to attend your training session this coming Monday at 1 o'clock. I forgot to ask Bree about that. The great Keith Palmer. Now, let's take a look at something that's a little cool in my mind. This was a call out on 8/8 when I told you guys to do your NAS buy for the first time, and that's when the sky was falling. Remember Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, everything's terrible. Oh, the whole thing. You'd have been up 400 pips right now on NAS. I currently only have a buy on US 30. I have a sell on NAS, but I have it set for a reason. I'll look at that in a second. So how on earth can this system be so accurate to make these calls? Well, good question. How on earth? And I still think we need to come down a little further on this pink right here. It could hook and start to come up. Let me see SPX real quick. Nope, not yet. We're not done. Yeah, that's why there's a hookup. US 30 still your best buy. US 30, planning buy stop between 15-second and weekly. Period. Don't care. That's still your best one. Been saying that for weeks, if not a month now. NAS is perfect, except for one tiny little feature right down here. It doesn't have its pink line all the way down to the orange line on our sniper. I would prefer that to happen. It doesn't have to happen. I'm just saying before I would enter the trade and before it's going to be called out by my signal service, it's going to happen. Because if it doesn't, we can't make the call officially. Speaking of which, we have our almost holy grail trade is now operational with gold. Hopefully, Lord willing, over the next few days, we're going to have it operational for 4 or 5. I forgot how many we have. 4 more additional symbols. So hopefully that'll be soon. But yes, the almost holy grail trade is operational. Please do not take these signals until I give you the all clear. Probably somewhere around Wednesday of this week, I should give that to you. Depending on how much, poor Keith has so much on him, how much time Keith has to get those inputted. But they are operational. They are up and firing. You haven't seen any signals yet because there hasn't been any, which is a good sign. But there will be. Remember, these are, you can take the demo trade at market execution order, meaning when the signal pops up, you can hit the buy or sell when you see it. You don't have to wait for any rules. Just take the trade. Tier 1 people paying $150 a month for Tier 1 get 10 of these, up to 10 of these a month. Tier 2 gets up to 20 of these a month. Tier 3 gets unlimited signals a month. There is no keeping track of arrows. You just fucking hit. Now, if you don't understand that when the almost holy grail trade comes up and you hit a buy or a sell demo button, I cannot help you with trading at that point. I can't. That's as easy as you can make it. There's a buy, you take it. There's a sell, you take it. Matter of factly, hopefully, Keith is going to be developing another room where we say to close a trade at. So we are going to give you your take profit, and then you'll leave one running. So the Almost Holy Grail trade is a free upgrade from Bree and I to each and every one of you, coded by the great Keith Palmer. We fired it up, had a few hiccups, paused it, fired it up again, and now it's running again. It's running on gold specifically. You'll see some signals, hopefully by the end of the week. Just not as many. That's where the hiccup was. It wasn't reading things right. Heads up, no news today. Tomorrow, yes. Thank you, Raider Trader. I have even written that down. Tuesday at 8:30 PPI. Thanks, Ori. Appreciate that. What's up, Solace? Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Already made money on 50 pips on US 30 alone this morning on a buy stop. I called out live on TikTok first and repeated it again on YouTube. I'll be calling out about a dozen more symbols here in a few minutes, but not right now. Right now, we're going over the Almost Holy Grail trade. Yay. Almost Holy Grail trade. All week, weekly, daily, weekly, hourly, 3-minute, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 are firing off flawlessly with continuous signals over and over and over again. The Almost Holy Grail trade is just going to be a handful of symbols, but it will be a trade that is going to be exceptionally good, and you just can do market order entries. Hopefully, Lord willing, we'll have the Holy Grail trade done here soon, but both Keith and I are going to be extremely busy the next month or so. It's really 2 months for me. It's going to be all out, but I'll have time. Always have time for you guys. Always have time for Keith, so we'll get her done. This is the last time a Holy Grail trade was called on NAS. It was right here. Almost Holy Grail trade. Right there. Boop. You can clearly see the first time is the best time. Second time wasn't red, so didn't call it. And this would be the third time. If you'd have listened to this particular trade, yes, it's time for playback. And I don't care if people don't like this part of the show. I don't give two fucks. I love it. I think it's exciting to see how fucking cool. Let's make sure it pops though for us. I don't know. Sometimes it does. Sometimes it doesn't. This is a playback of exactly. So now this is an Almost Holy Grail signal. This gets pushed into the Discord room. And this is how I know when people don't. Some family member of mine, well, where does that signal go? It goes into the Almost Holy Grail room, pops up right there, pops up here. You'll get a signal. You can set it to your phone if you know how, and your emails off of TradingView. And if you would just do, all you have to do when that signal comes up is hit a demo buy, boop, and then watch what happens. This is your money. And it's just one signal. All you had to do was the one signal. And watch. That's your money. There it is. And I don't want to hear about drawdown. You do nothing but hit the button. You don't open up 6 different charts or 8 different charts. You hit the button. And there she goes. Every time you see this pink line come up, you're going to see price action come up. Watch. It's down low. Watch the pink come down with it. Now the purple's coming down. It's going to hook. Right. You see the hook? Come up. There she goes up. There's your price going up. Look at it. And now it's going to repeat it again. You're going to see the two come down. This is called the sniper. No one else on earth uses this. Don't worry about the dollar amount. You see right here, that could be any dollar amount. Worry about if this is 100% win rate. And there you go. Now, after starting out on TikTok over 2 years ago, coming up on 3, doing lives over 1,800, almost 2,000 live videos on YouTube, how did we develop the system to show a buy, which everyone, oh, we need a copy trader, Kevin. Oh, we need you to do our trades for us. Well, holy Moses. I've given you guys the system, right? $575 a year, ridiculously cheap. Then I have the sniper for soon to be, it's basically $250 a month. And then I still said, well, they're having troubles. And now I give you a signal service where you had to match up 2 arrows. Some of you, one person in particular said it was too complicated. No one else did, but whatever. And now I'm coming out with actual direct. You take the entry, demo entry, when a signal pops up, as I just showed you. And if you still can't make money following a buy or a sell that will win at least, I'm sure. I mean, if it ain't 8 times out of 10, I'll be taking that symbol off and readjusting things, but it should be 9 times out of 10. Hell, it should be 10 times out of 10. And you can't make money trading? Shake my head. I don't know. Then sit back and watch some more, I guess. Or maybe just don't trade, because I can't do any more. The almost holy grail signals and the holy grail signals, they're literally market ordered entries, meaning you take your little demo button, hit buy or sell when it comes up, and you'll make money. Some of you don't have the temperament for it. Some of you can't take it when it goes down for like an hour or 2 or a day. Get out of here. Doesn't matter what time period you take the order on. Doesn't matter if you take it on the daily, weekly, hourly, whatever. Doesn't matter. Just take the order. Take profit where you're not greedy. We have certain set take profits. You know that. That's it. And I'll still have complaints. But I'm telling you, this almost holy grail trade right here, I will take it, and the holy grail trade when it comes out on NAS SPX or the US 30 or the gold. I will take whatever this signal is. It is so accurate, so correct. I will take this signal over any other trader signal in the world. They can use support and resistance, which fails 99% of the time. They can use trend trading. They can use look to the left. They can use ASIN and they can use volume and VWAP. Oh no. Some people are out there, he knows about volume and VWAP. Block trading? Yes. And they fail 99% of the time. I will take this signal against any other trader signal in the world. If they'd like to trade, and they can come on my live and make call outs just like my signals do consistently. Hell, the freedom indicator fires it off hundreds of times a week. And if you can trade better than my signals service, I will never believe it for 1 second. But if somehow you could or equal it or come close, and I'm not just talking about making a tick or two, you're going to have to make more pips, right, than my signal service does. And that shit is never happening with any trader, period. And if by some miracle of miracles you happen to come close, because you're not going to win. So if you can come close to beating my signal service, great. Then you can trade against me on lives for a week. And then we'll see who has a more accurate win rate. Hell, I might even throw in a student against you. I might pull in like Tommy or somebody. You have to defeat Tommy first. That'd be funny. And I'd be like the final end stage boss. That would actually be funny. We'll see. But to think for 1 second that these signals are hard to read, these are made for beginners. The whole system's made for beginners or experienced traders with an open mind. Because if you have a closed mind and if you think Fibonacci retracement works, you're in the wrong, absolutely 100% wrong system. My system is standalone by itself. The indicators never repaint, they never change. This line will always be here if TradingView gives you enough history. It's so weird how they limit your history. When I'm MetaTrader 4, if I have a year's worth of trading history on that symbol, I can go back a year. But TradingView charges you for every damn thing. I think we only get 20,000 bar look back. If you do professional, I think it goes up to 50,000. Still not enough. On seconds, like 30-second, it's nothing. 1 minute, nothing. When you're doing testing, we need to go back decades, years, and months. Oh, well. Leon, NAS 30-second blue line. Good morning, Jason McCain. Morning, Jason. There you go. Kev. Hell, Caribbean, GTR. I might have any other investor go against you. Let them try to beat you. Excellent, by the way, Caribbean. Yay. Standing O. Gonna win. Get out of here. What a clown world we live in to think that. Whatever. So, how did this develop to this? Well, let's take a look, shall we? Right inside of here. This is what matters. This area right here. Put right in here. This is what happens. This is how excellent and unbelievably accurate the system is. This is NAS weekly. Chart doesn't matter. Whatever chart we're on doesn't matter. This is SPX weekly. And this is US 30 weekly, all at the same time, right inside that orange box. So we're just going to use NAS as our example. Watch. Right here. We have our little setup right here. It's green, 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 blah, 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 all this stuff right here. So this is the setup. We have our sniper down below here. Pink crossing, the purple, poof, up she goes. You have a signal on top of that. A lot of confirmations, right? So how were we able to get, fill in the gap space right here. How were we able to get this exact development? How are we able to show you to exactly when to enter a weekly trade, daily trade, hourly trade? Well, watch. Some of you, oh, he's going to show how he does it. Yeah, I'm going to show you again and again until all of you are winning 100%. Well, at least 90. Caribbean GTR is exceptional. That's really, really good. All right, so how? Right inside of here is what a raw chart looks like. Raw means when you first start, literally, they give you nothing. I think they do some volume lines on MetaTrader 4. I'm not sure if, I haven't been in TradingView in a while to see what it is, but they give you nothing. They give you colored candles except for MetaTrader 5 or 4. One of them, they give you black and white. But generally speaking, red candles in this case mean down, green mean up. But we now know for a fact that candles are shit and they are actually nothing. Why? Because the same thing could be a line. Why? Because they could be areas. Why? Because they could be volume, Renko candles. So the candles aren't really candles. They just mean price action. But we don't know that. So when we start, we see this and they say, hey, make money. And of course, none of us use demo money because we're too egotistical and we try to use real money. We put real money in account. Say, I think I put like $200, $300 in first time. I lost it in a matter of, I don't even know if it was a day. Lost it. Like it went positive for a split second. Oh, I'm up 10 cents. And then I was down $30. Boom. And then did it again and again, lost. I said, fuck, how do I not lose at this? It's a $7 trillion a day business. I want to make money. I need to make money for my youngest child. I need to make money, blah, blah, blah. My gyms were failing. I need to make money. So I said, damn, somebody else out there, guru, has to know what they're doing. So I went online, did a quick search, found a couple different people, found a group I joined, found a lady that marked up the charts with every fucking centimeter of a support and resistance line, so it made no sense. I am not shitting you. Some of you, oh, he's exaggerating. Oh, no, I'm not. This person literally had support and resist. I can't even draw them enough. Everywhere. She did the 10-minute, the 5, the weekly, the daily. It didn't stop. Everywhere was a support and resistance line. Everywhere. I go, how do you know what's support? How do you know what's resistance? How do you know if it's going up? How do you know anything? Well, long story short, she didn't. And she was wrong. I said, well, fuck, that was like $1,500 wasted. I said, well, that didn't help me. I joined a group. That didn't help me. I joined a pyramid scheme that was trading. That didn't help me. I thought, well, fuck, I'll start looking at indicators. And I said, hey, they got to have some kind of indicators out there. They just have to. It's going to help me. And of course, going through hundreds. I swear, MetaTrader 4, I bet you I've been through 1,000 different indicators, paid for or otherwise, 1,000 of them. And no luck. So these are all your so-called technical pattern indicators. These are your indicators. These are your strategies. Oh, 24-hour volume indicator. Doesn't work. Advanced decline doesn't work. Auto fob, but the Fibonacci retracements, doesn't work. I thought, damn, fuck. I kept losing year after year. 2.5 years in, I'm $26,500 down. No better than I was when I first started here. I was losing when I first started with nothing. I was losing after the so-called experts tried to help. I was losing after every indicator known to man. I was like, fuck. And then finally, like I'd get a trade right. It was ERUSD. I was trading ERUSD against USD CHF. I figured, well, if one went down and one went up, and I was using the 5-minute and 15-minute trades because it was 5-minute, they wouldn't allow me to in the one group. But I said, no, I like that time period, and then 15-minute. Anywho, I started getting a couple trades right. Like not just guessing right, like actually right. Like it went up 20 pips, 30 pips, not like 2 cents, not like $1, and I could close it down. Like that's not a trade. No. So anywho, so I thought, well, how can I see this? How can I make it so I could see it? Well, I tried other indicators. None of the RSI didn't work. Oh, those are RSIs. Sorry, guy, it's not. But those are stochastics. Those are stows. No, bro, it's not. So I just kept trying, and then they didn't work. So then I had Andre and a couple other coders come along. They made some indicators for me. And then we color coded it. And then, of course, the great Keith Palmer has it on TradingView for us. But I was able to make it with my own indicators so that you could see, maybe. So you could see the actual colors of the trade. For if it was a buy, it would be green. And if it was a sell, it would be red. And I made it color coded. And that was the first movement I did. No data here. They're funny. There we go. All right. So then I was able to make things color coded. The greens, and then boom, boom, boom. So that helped. And I brought it up. Let me go over to, I think it was US 30. Yeah. Right here. I made it so that you guys could see it clearly. Green, red. Green, buy, stop, and up she goes. Let's show you what that looks like with the future, because people are like, oh, it's easy to look in hindsight. Nope. My indicators do not lag. They see the future with near 100% accuracy. You can clearly see this is on a weekly chart. So each one of these red dots is a week. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop. Place it up here somewhere on the yellow-orange line. She goes up. And I mean, this is a shit ton of pips because this is weekly. And there you go. And that's how it worked. But some of you had some issues with the green, 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 red, green, green pattern. And mainly the issues were this. You were trying to apply it not to the daily, weekly. You're trying to apply it to like the 30-second, 1 minute. It was coming too fast. And a lot of you couldn't see things fast enough. So rather than get discouraged, I said, let me help them see things clearer. And I invented the sniper, which is nothing more than the Bach broken out, but whatever. It's the sniper. Blue line low, pink line crosses it. That's your point of entry. So you'd enter right here on this candle. And then that's your sniper entry, and up she goes. And again, some of you are like, that's great. The sniper helps me out a shit ton. It's unbelievably accurate. Love it. And some of you are like, I still don't know. I still don't know. I said, okay. Well, let me go ahead and create a signal service that reads the charts just like I do. You notice it called out a buy. You notice when? Oh, look. Boom. There it is. There's our buy. And there it went shooting straight upward. So that's the evolution of the system. It's literally made for beginners. Oh, look how cute. It's back. I had to redo these words. Let's see what it says. My system helps you make consistent profits. Anyone out there think yes if you think my system helps you make consistent profits? No if you think it doesn't. But you have to own the system. If you don't have to own the system, it doesn't make any sense to you. Morning, Trading Gun. Morning, Solace again. Morning, Larry. Oh, by the way, John's correct. It does keep you out of a lot of bad trades, too. Good point. Good morning, Orlando. Blessed morning to you, too. Okay, there's a few yeses. Yay. Okay. I think it does. Works on 1,000 trading view symbols, including futures. Well, that's an absolute yes. No one can say other than yes. To start, watch some YouTube videos and catch some lives. To learn more or buy, go to thesafetytrade.com or YouTube The Safety Trade. Because a lot of people ask, how do I start? Where do I begin? I don't want your money. I want you to understand and get your own self to believe and see for a fact that consistently the system works every day. Most definitely up $4,000. Nice, Jones 808. Congratulations, Jones 808. In the money right now, says Kev. Correct, Kev. What's up, Kev? Good morning, Kevin Alderman. Good morning, Trading Gun again and Raider Trader. All right. So we all think that it helps us, and I know it does. Let's go ahead and go back now and see if we can make some call outs. I just wanted to show the people that are new how the system developed. That's all. Buy, stop, 10 second. Buy, stop, US 30, 10 second. NAS, 10 second. SPX. A little concerned with SPX. Oh, it already did it sell. Okay. Yeah, definite buy then. I didn't see that it had done it. So as you see, SPX going to cross this pink line right here. See it go up before your very eyes. As I just called out live again, that doesn't look like much to you, but these few ticks right here is all you need. Look at NAS is up in the money already. I know it's 10 seconds. I can't help that. I know it's not a lot of money. I can't help that. It's a 10-second call. If you want a lot of money, do these trades on 10-minute or daily or weekly. They're the same trade. From here to here would have been about 5 pips, which is exceptionally good. I used to use the term professional trader, but they aren't any. There's no such thing as a professional trader. They only win 64% of their trades, quote unquote. They're not professional. They're professional gamblers who look for ticks, 5 or 6, 8 ticks. They dump a shit ton of money on something. No, there's no such thing as a professional trader. Bullshit. Oh, they make money. They get this. Well, they're a stay-at-home trader. Yay. They're a successful trader. They're a profitable trader. Okay. Professional? Jokesters out there. And I love the one clown guy, the one silly guy who debunks other traders. He's somehow superior to everyone. And I know you've seen him. I blocked him 20 times on TikTok. He still comes up. But he'll be like, his support and resistance. He lets them talk. And then he thinks he's smarter than they are. And then he rips them or says they're doing good advice. Blah, blah, blah. And it's the funniest thing on earth. Nice. Let's see. Hold on. Forming another buy stop. Hold on, though. Let's see. Personally, I think we need to start smashing down to the 10-second, 15-second levels. But buy stop again, US 30. Got to let the pink come down first, though. Yeah, buy stop NAS. Buy stop SPX. So as I was saying, there's it's like a clown world we're living in. Some fella out there deciding, let me call gold too while we're at it. Hold on. Who's a good trader or not? Like he's somebody, whatever. 2 shots. People. 10-second buy, 15-second buy, 30-second. Gold. Gold, 30-second. Nope. 1 minute. Nope. Nice. This is a beautiful 3-minute buy. Hold on. Yeah, this is gorgeous gold 3-minute buy. Hope Mr. C's all over that. That is beautiful. Where's she going to? Gorgeous. Yeah, that's a 5-10 minute. Fill in the gap, 15-minute. Well, where the hell? Gold's already up. Yeah, already passed everything. Let me see 4 hour real quick. Let me see the 1 hour. Yeah, it's just finishing up. Let me see the 4 hour, though. Nope. It's coming to the top, too. That was a gorgeous 4 hour. I hope someone took that. Fill in the gap daily. Gee, let's see right here. What does this say? Let's see what this says. On 7/25, daily gold buy, move down with price action. That's rule number 7. You'd have gotten, holy shit, 23.74? Is that right? I was following the other one for a while at 23.06. 23.74, 24.47. $80-ish, depending, but $70, $80. That's crazy. So the gold buy is in full force. Again, take any buy stop you can find. This is why I called it. Yeah, right. It was down there. Until the sniper pink line goes up and touches the orange line. So I'm officially calling again and again and again. 15-second buy stop, 30-second buy stop, 1 minute buy stop, 3-minute buy stop, 5-minute buy stop, 10-minute buy stop, 15-minute buy. Any one of those you see all the way through daily until this weekly pink line goes up and touches the blue line. How fucking cool is that? I've been calling this. You'd be up hundreds and hundreds of dollars an ounce on gold if you listen to that on demo. Look at there. What else called these buys? Gee, I don't know. Let's take a look. The freedom indicator first called gold correctly right here and here and here and here. It called it correctly over and over and over again. These are your freedom indicators. Look at that. Gorgeous calls. Buy, 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 buy. The freedom indicator is exceptionally accurate. Oh, we have to do it. We have to do it. Let's see how accurate it is. We're going to do a live playback. Look at this gorgeousness. Oh, If you don't think this system is beautiful, now not as beautiful as my wife, this is your buy. Weekly line comes up, you do your buy, boop. Let's just see if we can get a few more. Every time that pops up, we're going to do another buy. There's your money right here, by the way. There it is. Oh, shit, fire. I was too late. Shit. Buy again, and I missed that one again. Fuck. Every time the pink comes up, watch. Every time it goes down, watch, it's going to come up. Day 4, all of these are correct calls. All of these are from the signal service, correct calls. There she goes. Pop, pop, pop. Every time that blue comes up, another buy. Look at this. All those buys were 100% accurate. Don't worry about the dollar amount. Worry about if the signal service was 100% accurate. Bingo, boppo, bango. So when you guys see anything on the Discord in that new room, and it has something to do with gold, boy, this signal service has been correct since 1971 on gold. How do we know? Because that's as far back as I can go on gold. It called the buys, it called the sells, called the buys and the sells, doesn't matter. Called them all correctly. Over and over since 1971. That is insane. Let me pull up the right one for this one. Almost Holy Grail. I thought we had one even further back. Hold on. Nope, we don't. First, yeah, we do. Hold on. That is not correct. Hold on. Let me see something here. Nope, too early. Nope. Too early. No, yes, it did. Yes, it did. I might not have the right one pulled up. There's too many. Let me see. Lower time frame, no. Hourly, no. Oh, you know what? Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Let me do this. Let me show you something. This is, we're going to go to current. So this is your, look at this. This is your current freedom signals. This is so fucking cool to see on this time period. Can I break it down even further though? Hold on one second. Because then you can see these ones easier. I don't know if they'll register though. That is the problem. Yeah, okay. Okay, here we go. You can go to daily with them. You can go to hourly. You're supposed to go to the lowest time frame, which would be 5 minutes in this case. All right, so here we go. There's my D1. All right, look at this. Look, oh, it's been an hour? Fuck, hold on, I can stop this. Hold on, I got to get TikTok. It's already been 52 minutes. Wow. Time flies and you're having fun. And Raider Trader said no news today, so I believe him. Okay, cool. All right. Give me 1 second with my chair. Can you imagine doing cardio for an hour? With steady state cardio, but still. That easily? Okay. Let's take a look now. Let's pull this down. Gold entry at, Missy, I knew you would do it. Good morning, Tank. All right, so I think we're good morning to everybody. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. This is Triple G in the morning now. This is Kevin Grego explaining my system and how it works. But for those of you who are new, who have no clue how to trade, let me just show you how easy this is to see. This is our first pre-signal. This is called your machine gun signal. This signal is a signal letting you know these other signals are about to come. What the fuck? Craziest shit you ever see in your life. Look at how much advanced notice you have. This is the freedom signal indicator, this thing right here. It's unbelievably consistently correct. D1, you wait or don't. That's up to you. But if you wanted to wait, you wait for the first time this matches up, and you take a buy stop. What we could do, I might have Keith. Let me put a note on here for Keith as if he doesn't have enough. Take freedom. D1s. And then and combine in to equal a market order entry. You might do that. All right. So look, then in which case you have multiple signals that you can then take. Are you kidding me? D1 signals alert you that these signals are coming. Look at that. It's not just one or two. That's got, I think I counted multiple times, usually 20 to 30 signals. Here's the D2 signal right here. This is daily 2. Then what happens? Right here, you can clearly see there's these additional signals. If they're not there, you wouldn't take the trade. If they do come in, you do. Yeah, I'm thinking about, I'm going to tell Keith that. D3, look, there was no D3 buy signals, so you couldn't have taken it. But watch what did come up. This right here is going to be a D1 sell. Look at how accurate this is. Oh, show how inaccurate it is. There's no inaccurate signals that I can find. I use gold all the time, SPX all the time, NAS all the time, US 30 all the time. There's no wrong signals. This is a D1. This signal matched it. First time, sell, and down it goes. Yeah, I'm going to wonder if I can get Keith to do that. Keith, are you ready to talk yet? Let me make a note to that. I'm going to say, good morning, Monster. I was in a good mood. Good morning, Monster. We can talk whenever. Because I'm ready to go. Of course, he sleeps. He's a night owl. I'm not. We're different on that. Anywho, so those are your sells. Let's see. There's a D1 again. There's a buy, waiting for it to gauge, and there's been nothing to engage on gold. But the signal service is unbelievably accurate, crazy accurate, and we're always improving it on easier ways for you guys to enter the trades. And that's why I just thought of one way to do that. So we'll see. All right. Anybody have any questions over the progression of the system and the signals and the signal service? Anything at all? Concerns, comments? It's so easy to use. So if you can't recognize on your own the green, 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 red, get the sniper. If you don't recognize sniper doesn't help you, then get the signal service. It literally reads the charts for you. Gold buy stop until the weekly pink line goes up and hits the orange line. Buy, buy, buy. See, now this is the problem with it. See this daily sell right here? You have to make sure you have this set up on the right time frame. So you can't go using these weekly, the daily, hourly signals on a weekly chart. Otherwise, it can't read it right. You have to make sure you follow the rules to set these up properly. So I'll just turn those off now. It is a weekly buy stop, as I said, until any buy stop, 15-second on up, until the weekly pink line hits the blue line right here. And that's gold. Okay, no questions. Oil. Oil. Buy. As I said, I called this out a long time ago as a daily, weekly buy. Yeah. Let me see the monthly. It's a monthly buy, but it's just not low enough yet. I would put, well, we don't even see my, hold on. I would put my buy right here at, right above where it's at, actually. 78.300 on oil demo only. Buy stop monthly. Now that's going to take a shit ton to develop. So let's go down to the 10-second and see what we shall see. Nothing. 15-second. US and UK oil. Sell. Play any 5-second, 10-second, 15-second sell stop to the 15-second blue line on US oil. I'd put it right underneath here. 76.497 and see if it goes down. Oh, look, it shot straight up. That's funny. All right, just wait for it. Doesn't matter. Still love it. Nope, love that trade. I would take that trade if it goes down to where I told you it was. Oh, love 5-minute, 3-minute, 3-minute, 5-minute buy stop. Love it. It's a 10-minute buy. It's a 15-minute buy. Love the buy. Ooh, hit the 30. Let me see the 1 hour. 1 hour is already hit. So you're a little late on this trade. You should have did the first time, second time. This is the third time. That buy is still good, though. I do like it. 15-second sell to where I told you to put your buy line in, sell line in at. And then if you'd rather do the buy, do the 3-minute buy. Next, nothing on the 4 hour. Daily, weekly buy, weekly, monthly buy. Yeah, buy monthly oil. Sorry, higher prices. I said that the other day. EUR USD. To be clear, we've already called it once correctly to the blue line right here, the price action blue line. Called it out live multiple times. Easiest trade in the world. This is a daily, weekly buy stop to the blue line. It's going to ricochet, come down like it did, and go back up to the blue line. Long-term EUR/USD buy stop, period. Shorter term, let's see what we can find for you guys. Get some cheap money. Nothing. 10-second. EUR/USD, nothing. 15-second. Nope, already hit it. 30-second. Already just hit the 30-second. Fuck. It's going to rebound now and come up. All right. Play. Will it do it again? Yeah. Play any 5-second, 10-second, 15-second, 30-second sell stop to the 1-minute blue line of EUR/USD. Then look for a 5-minute buy stop, EUR/USD. 15-minute buy stop, EUR/USD. Let me see the 1 hour again. It's already high. 4 hour buy. 4 hour buy. Daily's already touched it. Weekly's already high. And monthly's hooking. It's a monthly sell EUR/USD, but I've been saying that for a fucking year and a half. That shit takes forever to develop. GBP JPY. GY. We had an 8-6 buy stop daily, weekly. So let me see what that looks like. Oh, it's a daily, weekly blue line buy. Yep, and that is correct. We're almost to the point where we can call this trade. Yeah, this is one I like too. Ooh, that's beautiful right there. Interesting. Daily, weekly buy, GBP JPY. Yeah, that's nice. And quite frankly, I would take any buy I can get on GBP JPY, as I've been saying forever. Literally, this January would be a year I've been calling a buy on GBP JPY. Every day, and it's too late. Told you. We could have gotten this so much earlier if I was moving this down like you should have. Fuck. There was a 1-minute buy, 3-minute buy, 5-minute buy. Fuck. Play any buy stop. 5-second through 10-minute to the 15-minute blue line, GBP JPY. What's up, Grillo? Going over it now. Good morning, Bob. Good morning, Bob. I hope you and Grillo and Bob, both of you and everybody out there had a great weekend. GBP JPY buy to the blue line. We should have already been in that trade. That pisses me the fuck off. 1 hour, too high. 4 hours, sell. 7 hour. 4 hour, 12 hour. Yeah. 4 hour, 12 hour sell GBP JPY. I don't care. Let it go down. Let it keep going down. I don't give two fucks. Weekly, monthly buy, daily, weekly buy. I love this trade. I don't care. If it keeps going down, which I don't think it will actually, but if it does, follow it next time. We could have picked this shit up down here. I can't, I'm not on the charts hardly ever when I'm not with you guys, like barely ever. Oh, look, 12-hour buy stop, AUD USD in the money. What do you fucking know? AUD USD, look at that fucking call. 12-hour daily buy stop, and look at who's in the money. Actually turned it into a daily, weekly buy stop. Ha ha. Look at how gorgeous that is. I didn't even know we're in the money on this one. Let's take a look. Gorgeous. You're up 98 pips on a pile of manure, AUD USD, AUD USD. That's 100 pips on a, secondary Forex pair. I don't particularly care for it. 100 pips is an insane amount of money. I would close one trade down and leave one open and profit, locked in profit, and let it run. Okay. So that is AUD USD. USD CAD. Hold on one second here. USD CAD. Still hasn't done it yet, huh? No shit. USD CAD. Sorry. 10 second. USD CAD buy stop, by the way. 15 second. Where's she going to? Uh-oh. If there's any news, there isn't. Blah, blah, blah. Lock in profits. I'm not in the mood for news. Tomorrow, though, I hope I'm able to trade with you guys and trade through PPI. That'd be fun. 1 minute buy stop to the 3 minute blue line. Play any 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 3 minute buy stop to the 3 minute blue line. Yep. Going to pounce over to here a little bit, fart around, then shoot back up and go to that line on USD CAD. 5 minute, 10 minute, 10 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute. Nope. Let me see the 1 hour. The 1 hour sell. 15 minute. 15 minute, 1 hour sell. Not a big fan of that one. Oh, I see. It's doing a 4 hour. Daily, weekly. Oh, nice. That's why we did the daily, weekly. And told you, this is on. If you guys would just get off your fucking 30-second time frames and 1 minute scalpings and look at the weekly dailies, look at this weekly daily. Look what it does. The very first time, as I say, every Ricky Bobby trade kind of didn't go down, but once it went down low enough, pop, made the call. There it is. There's your money you made. Holy shit. 723 USD CAD. How much you make on this thing? From here to which you can never see, which drives me nuts. 299. 300 pips. Over 290 pips on a USD CAD. It's United States, Canada Forex pair. Look at that. Yeah, okay. The system works amazingly well. XRP. I don't care. Buy, stop, as I keep telling you. And look, you're actually back in the money. Oh, look at how cute that is. You go, little XRP. Don't care. I'm not calling anything else. I will call Ethereum out and I moved my buy stops all the way down far as I could. Ethereum. So let's go over it in detail for Larry, one of our members. Oh, nice. I'm going to go ahead and say that's a buy, huh? 10 second, 15 second. Where's she blowing to? 1 minute. 3 minute. Oh, fill in the gap, fill in the gap. Play any buy stop you can on a 3 minute fill in the gap right here. So play any 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds when it pulls back. This is going to go up. How much time we have left? 2 minutes. I don't feel like standing here 2 minutes. You're going to see price action go up. When it goes up, you're going to see this green bar go up and touch this yellow line, filling in the black space right here. I'm not going to stick around for 2 minutes, but nonetheless, that's what that's going to do. Yeah, 10 minute, 5 minute fill in the gap. Where's it going to? 15 minute? No. Oh, it hit the 10 minute line. Oh, look at that. Just hit the 10 minute line. It's going to reflect. It's going to ricochet. It's going to come back down. Play any Ethereum 5 second through 15 minute buy stop to the 15 minute blue line. Ethereum forming. I don't know if we're going to see it. We might. Yeah, we might. 3 hour, maybe a 4 hour. I don't think it's going to come back. Maybe you're going to be okay, Lair. Let me see. 4 hours sell. 7 hours hard. 12 hours hard. Daily's already hit. Daily's already hit. Weekly? Weekly? Yeah. Weekly, monthly. Weekly, monthly buy. Yeah. Let me see Bitcoin real quick. Bitcoin and Ethereum are exactly the same. Whatever I call out for Bitcoin is the same thing as Ethereum. Ethereum, same thing as Bitcoin. Fill in the gap weekly. Fuck yeah. Buy, stop Bitcoin. Fill in the gap weekly. You're going to see price action go up on the weekly level. Now, how many weeks this takes? It could be 1. It could be 10. I don't know. Some of the weeklies, my U.S. oil back in 2 years ago, June, it took 6 months for it to develop and go down and touch. But anyway, this is it. You're going to see price action go up. You're going to see this green histogram bar go up, touch this yellow line. You're going to see price go up. You're going to see this pink line come up towards the orange line on my sniper. Those are your longer term buys. You're already in the money if you listen to me on Ethereum on that low because I was moving it down as it went down. Bitcoin, however, yeah, whatever. You guys trade that all you want. And there you go. Weekly, monthly Bitcoin buy. Amazon. I don't give 2 fucks. I hope this motherfucker goes down to $5 a share. I will buy up every share I can possibly get. It's not going to. Buy, stop, weekly, daily, period. Look, there's mine. Amazon buy stops on 8.8. Don't care. It's going up, period. Play any buy you can on Amazon. 5 second through daily, period. 8:30. Well, if there is any news, good luck with all that shit. I'm not calling anything else. So that's everything. I called out US 30, NAS, and SPX on my open when I was literally doing it. Oh, you're in the money on those. Buy stops for NAS and SPX and US 30. Where was it? It was right here. And it was a 10-seconder. And this is US 30. Maybe it was NAS. Yeah, it was NAS. And then we called it out live. Boom, 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 up. 50, 60 pips on US 30, probably 30, 20, 30 pips on NAS. And this is also called out, just so we're clear, and written out for you guys right here. This is my call out from Friday for you. Play any buy stops towards SPX. Let's see. 15-minute blue line. Let's see what happened. Did it go up? Oh, look at that. Look at that. What do you know? Right there, right where I called it. And there is SPX hitting its 15-minute blue line. This is a 15-minute chart. This is SPX. NAS. And there's US 30 heading towards it. Look at that fucking call out. Amazing. Hope you all made a shit ton of money on those trades. Look at that trade right off our line right here. Boop. NAS, boop. SPX to the blue line as called out, written out. I traded US 30 instead. So I have 2 trades open. I have a sell with NAS and I have a buy on US 30. And the reason why I have a sell on NAS is, let me check that, speaking of which, is because it was a 2 hour, but let me see something really quick. I think we might be past that gate. Oh, fuck yeah, it is not a 2 hour. Hold on, 3 hour? Yeah, 4 hour, possibly. 4 hour sell. Ricochet, 4 hour sell NAS. I'm going to keep that open until it goes up a good bit higher. So I'm sticking with these call outs, 4 hour sells. Did I say 2 hours or 4 hours over here? Which one is this? Longer terms, 3 hours. No. Let me see this 3 hour SPX. No, it's now a 4 hour. I don't know if it's going to form or not. And that's the whole beautiful thing about the system. You either win or you don't lose. We're going to change this to 4 hours. I still love my longest buy stop daily buys on all 3. And we're in the money on all those. So yeah, you can put your sell stop line if you want on NAS on the 4 hour right here. 18,293.1 sell stop NAS. If it goes below there, you can take the trade down, ricochet back to its blue line. It already ricocheted down once. That's why there is a concern it might not do it a second time. I think it will. But in the meantime, enjoy these buy stops that you're in to the 15-minute blue lines of SPX, NAS. Look how close it is. I can't believe SPX won. I'm so excited. And US 30. How cute. Yay. All right. I think you're going to see NAS hit it, though. And then you'll see the flip after that. All right. Anybody have any questions on all those call outs I did, how I made them, how I was able to see this trade, how I was able to write out trades from 8, 9, 3 days ago, and they're coming true today? Anyone out there should be like, how the fuck? That should be your question, if nothing else. Like, how the fuck does he call a trade out, write it out on 8, 9, and then it goes to the SPX blue line? When everyone else was saying, woe is me, the economy's collapsing, the market's collapsing, everything's going down, I'm telling you right now, literally, my system was showing a buy stop. I called it, and there it is. Just saying. Good morning, Neville. What's up, Nev? Good morning, Kevin, again. Morning, everybody. Morning, Raider Trader. Thank you for being on both. If everyone on TikTok, go to YouTube. Everybody on YouTube, go to TikTok. That'd be awesome. Any questions how I'm able to make these call outs? I went through the evolution of the system already, how amazing the signals are, incredibly accurate, how we've now reactivated the almost holy grail signals they're on. For gold, we'll be firing up all the rest of the symbols. 4 or 5, I think there's 5 other symbols will be going up soon. Also, by the middle of the week, they'll be done. And then we're going to go ahead and finish the Holy Grail trade, Lord willing, this week. And then the H&H scanner. And then that's it. Well, as far as you guys know, that's it. Now, SPS is a champ today. No, I know, right? Yay, SPX. SPX. Meaning SPX was, this is rare. You guys don't understand how rare this is. For SPX to go up and touch this 15, it'll do, 5-second text, 10 seconds, get second place, whatever, fine. But for it to be a longer term, 15-minute, hourly, daily, hell, I don't even know if I remember seeing a daily where SPX was first. It's rare. So for SPX to do this, I'm very happy for it, because it's always, you don't ever want to be in last place your whole life. So I'm very glad this is our scanner. Look at this shit, how beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, 'tis of the sea of shining sea. Keith Rooney, the San Francisco Pete. Keith Rooney, the taste that can't be beat. All right. It's so cool. No questions? Oh, by the way, what was that one? Was that oil? Oil's 10-second never went in, went to the buy. Let me see what that 3-minute. Wasn't it a 3-minute? Yeah. The 3-minute oil call was in the money. The 15-second, 10-second, whatever the fuck it was, never engaged. Nice. US 30. US 30. 5-second sell stop to the 5-second blue line, US 30. NAS, 5-second sell stop to the 5-second blue line. SPX. Let's see. I think I like you. Yeah, US 30 is better. I like US 30. Watch when the pink line. First time's the best. We should have played this one. I didn't have a chance to see it. I was too busy. This is the second time. You can clearly see it already went down from the time I told you this on the 5-second. This pink will cross this violet line right here, purple line right here. Look, and it will go down. There's your touchdown on US 30. These are 5-second trades. For the love of God, do not hold them long. Do not hold. It might keep going down for a fucking million pips. This might be the drop of the whole entire stock market, but most likely it's not. And there it is. The sniper is that accurate. If you use it properly, look at how it makes money. Oh, it's going up again. I didn't say it. It's fucking 5-second trades, for the love of God. Of course it's going to go up again. You're literally playing inside of a 10-second candle, 15-second candle. Oh, it's going up. You okay? And we have touchdown US 30 to its 5-second candle, 5-second blue line. Fill in the gap was filled in. Pink came down and touched. There it is. Live, buy the system, learn how to trade to make consistent profits. There it is. For once in your lives. Gee, I wonder what NAS and SPX are going to do. Actually, I like SPX better now. There you go. You're already in the money on the sell stop on SPX. US 30 already came down and hit its blue line. I told you that was the better one out of the three. How did I know? It was closer, and it already had its pink and purple pulled up with a gap. I love that trade. First time would have been the best time when it dipped right here on the 5 seconds. Remember, we have 3 fucking EMAs. Oh, they're EMAs. They're just lines. I know what they are. I fucking use them. I created them. When the orange EMA, this is for everyone. This is a free upgrade for all of you. When the orange EMA switches and goes below the green and the yellow, and then you have your sell stop like you do right here, right? And you can see clearly how this was the first one that was a full-on sell right here, filling the gap right there, and it went down. You see how you use all of your tools, and it was going towards the blue line. That's why I always flip down to these 5 seconds and 10 seconds now, so you guys can see the trades, because it does the exact same thing on daily, weekly, over days and weeks. The 5-second does the same thing with 5 seconds. So when you see this, you combine everything I've taught you about trading. Let's go over it. This is a 5-second sell stop to the blue line. I'm explaining why I took the trade and how you all could have too. We look for a logo. Logo means it came down, came over, came down, came over, came down. This is the number one thing we saw. Okay. Number 2, you can see our line switched. The orange line came below it, and that happened right here. You can see it right here. And then, of course, here. Then what do we see? We see our fill in the gap here, and then we see our fill in the gap right here. Then what do we see? Sniper, pink line high, first time it came, then sniper over here where it came. Doing it again, by the way, it's going to ricochet, come back up, and then you're going to see this hook back down and come back down again. That's what's going to happen in front of your very eyes. So as this fills in, as this does this, then we see it's going to the blue line. This is your blue line right here in your price action. So to recap all those things for you, and I told you we were just going to do it, and it just did it, but watch. Here you go. We have our logo, number 1. Our logo said it, well, that's not big enough. Our logo said it was going to go down, and it did. Here we go. Watch this shit. You guys want to have fun? 1 thing said it was going to go down. 2 things. Our EMA switched. They went underneath. 2, 3. It happened again. 4. It's going to our blue line. Hey. What happened to 3? 3. It's going towards its blue line. It did. 4. It was a fill in the gap down here. 5. Another fill in the gap happened. That's the one I just called live for you. That's 6. It was high. And all that matters, by the way, is 7. Pink line high, 8, blue line low. And this is, we get a combined charts. I can get this up to 20 signals of why it did it. And it did it again here, 9. And then it did it again here, 10. And that's why that trade went from here down to there. Simple as that. All confirmations, all correct, all brought us down to that blue line. It's coming up to hook again. It's going to come back down again, and you'll see a sell stop again, 5 seconds. That's why I took the trade. That's how quickly you can analyze your charts. I do it in seconds most of the time, and that's it. I can get up to literally 20 to 25 to 30 when I use 2 charts on what I'm looking at to tell you where that trade was going. Hopefully that kind of made some sense to most of you. And that's why I took it. SPX is champ today. Insanely amazing. Thanks to God, Kevin. The whole system is amazing. Thank you, John. I've been in the system since last October and never seen it. And never seen it win. I've been in the system. I'm assuming you've never seen it lose? Not sure on that one, John. All right. If everybody understood that explanation, that's cool. Throw up sevens. If you didn't understand that explanation or you want me to go over it again, let me know. I'll explain it to you. NAS hit its blue line as told you it would on the 5 second. You see, SPX was third hitting its blue line, but it hit its 5 second blue line also. As I called out for you live, this is your sell stop going back down to the blue line. The same exact rules apply 1, 2, and 3. This is the third time it happened. First time the full-on safety trade happened. What's up, Dr. One Fly? Understood. Awesome. All right, so no questions. That's called easy peasy trading. Yes, we have the rights to that. Raider Trader said understood. Awesome. Let's go back here to US 30 again. Now let's go to the 10 second and see what's happening. Yep, already hit it. It's not up enough yet. We need to let the sniper come back up here to the top. It is a sell stop, 10 second to the blue line. It already ricocheted once. Be very careful with this trade. I would let this come up higher and then enter that trade. NAS already hit it. SPX. 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 Hello. Oh, sell. Sell stop SPX to the blue line. It's up high enough, actually. I would look for I'd prefer it to go up and make my full-on sell stop, but we'll wait. 10 second, yeah. Play any 5 second, 10 second sell stops you can until SPX hits its 10 second blue line. Might be a minute. I want to see these cross before I make my entry. So don't enter yet on this trade. Getting super close. I wish it'd just go up a little bit more. I would put my line right there if you're forcing me to do a sell right here. Let's just wait. Do. Can't wait to talk to Keith Rooney. Keith Rooney. Do. See, it's going up still. Told you, gotta let this cross. Once this cross happens, then I'll be a little more inclined to tell you to take that entry. There you go. See how it's going up? Let it go up first. Now, sell stop off the yellow line. Sell stop off the yellow line, SPX 10 second. Sell stop off the yellow line, 10 second. To the blue, by the way. Do. And you're in the money on the trade as called out down to the 10 second. Down to the 10 second candle as called out. As called out live to the 10 second candle. Any other trader want to come on and do this with me? Any other trader want to come on and do 5 second and 10 second call outs? Do. Now, this is a fucking 5 second candle. Get the fuck out. Could you even made a pip off this? Not likely. Could you have made a tick off of it? Probably. But did you just make money? Absolutely. Do. Fill in the gaps already completed. It's coming down. Look at it go down towards this thing. How on earth is Kevin able to make these call outs down to the 5 second, 10 second candles? I love when I found out my system worked on the 1 second candles. I was shocked and stunned. I wouldn't even go down to the 5 seconds. I thought, well, damn, that's dangerous playing around down there. And it is. And too many of you are addicted to gambling. You shouldn't do it. But I do it just to impress upon you how accurate the system is. It's so accurate that I can call out 10 second trades like this. Ding dong, touchdown. Put out your tongue, SPX. Put out your tongue and lick the blue line, SPX, because you touched it. Close enough. H&H. Successful trade. Called out live. Called out live. Called out live. Yes. Thank you, Mike Moynihan. Mind is blown. That is a correct response to what you just witnessed. How the hell can someone call out a 10-second candle? Where's the professional trader man now? He can't call out 10-second trades. Really? I can and I do. Anyone that doubts the system, suck it. Anyone that doesn't believe in the system, there's your proof. Da, 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 da. Now, you guys might not be able to do it. I can't help that. You can practice enough and you can do it. Touchdown, by the way. Touchdown. Standing O for me and the system, and thanks be to God. Touchdown. Now, close down your trade if you're trading SPX, because that is just silly to be trading SPX 10-second candles. But there it is. Buy the system. Buy the system. There's your touchdown, as exactly called out by me. Off the yellow line. Look, it's going up. It's the run. No, it was a 100% accurate trade. Buy the system. Now it's going to go up. It has to reload. It's going to reload again. That's what it does over and over again. Good morning, Kim. It's becoming so much clearer. Thanks. Oh, and good morning. Sorry. What's up, Jennifer Holmes? Good morning, Jen. Good morning, Neville again, and Raider Trader Andrew Frejo. I'm rolling on that one, Coach. Reach out and lick it. I would use another term, but I don't want to offend anyone here, so I said lick it. I'm not here to make anyone upset, but I am here to get my point across that holy fucking shit. Is this system accurate? Go ahead. Anyone that doesn't believe the system works is living in denial and have not been watching any of my last, 2,000 TikToks, YouTubes that I've done over the last 2 years, coming up on 2 years on YouTube. Look at it. There it is. Touchdown all the way down to it. Look, as the sniper, I know the sniper. I could have had it 3 years. No, you didn't. No one's had it more than a year. I've had it about a year and a half. I was testing it before I gave it to you guys. But no one else has ever. This is my creation. It drives so many people nuts. They can't be happy, right? They just can't be happy. Say, oh, this is a fucking great fucking thing, achievement Kevin's done. He's figured out the secret sauce to trading. No, they just can't be happy with that. They can't just get the system. They just can't buy it. $575 a year. If that's too much money for you, then you need to save up your money. Look, this right in here is what I called out live. I explained why it would do it. I told you it was going to happen, and it did it. Over and over and over and over and over again, I do it. That's your proof. What's your P&L and what's your monthly win rate? And every trade I fucking take, I trade live with you. Call it out live, tell you what it's going to do, or I take it live with you. I trade it. I write it out for you. Almost 2,000 times I write out what's going to happen, and it does. 2,000 times, and it does. Sell stop to the blue line, 10 second. Ha! Ha 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 ha. I'm not going to say anything. Okay. Well, anywho, you guys live in whatever delusional world you want. I'm going to live in the world where I actually have a sniper that calls out when it comes up, price goes up. When it comes down, price goes down. When it comes up with the blue line and the sell stop, green, 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 red, green, green. I'm sorry, red, 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 green, green, green. Oh my God. Red, 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 green, red, red. Sell stop to the blue line. Is it going to touch the blue line again? I don't know. It's a ricochet. Probably will. Do I care? No. Did we just make money from the exact second I finished saying this? Yes. It's perfection. And as the pink line came down, it touched down. It's as simple as that. It's that simple. Does it go down and touch it? I don't know. I'm not here to tell you. I told you it would touch it here. It did. This one, yeah, I think it will. There it is. Touchdown fucking again. Fuck you, haters. Fuck you, haters. Fuck you, haters. I didn't even want to say it, but I was like, should I call it? Should I call it? Should I call it? And I had to. Right before that big push on that red one, it came out. Oh my God, that's too funny. There it is again. Yeah, go ahead, haters. Go ahead. Say something. Say, oh, it doesn't work. Oh, it only works. Oh, it's too complicated. Oh, woe is me. You're called whiner snowflake. Oh, I shouldn't get into this. I'm on TikTok. All right, fine. Yeah, it works. There it is working. SPX to the blue line. And by the way, it's not just SPX. And yes, it will. Look right here. There is NAS doing a sell stop. Here's US 30. Here's US 30 going sell stop to its blue line right here. Here it is again, right back here. It did it to its blue line right here. Over and over again, we're dealing with 10-second candles. This is crazy to me. Look at this sell stop. Any beginner out there, I'm going to teach you how to trade in 2 seconds. Here it is. This is how long it's going to take you how to trade. Right here. Red. Oh, shit. Hold on. My computer froze. Here it is. Red line saying down. Real direction bars 3. We have red right here on our sniper right there. Red and red. If you don't see that, I'll pull that up for you. And that's how hard it is to trade. That's it. Yeah, I hope Keith fixed that for me. That's all. Red, green, red, sell, stop, down it goes. Red, green, broken box, sell, stop, down it goes. Same for NAS right here. The same pattern holds true for everything. Red, green, red, down it goes. SPX. That was too fucking funny. Red, green, down to the blue line, down she goes. That's all you need to trade. That's all you need to know. Sometimes it's a little tricky. I had the sniper in to help for your entrances. Sometimes that's tricky. I give you signal service. There it is. Systems made for beginners. That's it. Seeing it live, called out live, written out live. I would trade it with you, but I have too many accounts. So I'm not doing these 10-second trades. You have to get in and out too quick. Sell stop again, by the way. SPX back to its blue line for a ricochet. Wow. We've seen this so many times. That is normal, but it's still extraordinary that it works. I know, right, Jan? It's fucking crazy. Let the haters hate. Meanwhile, we're at the bank. Amen to that. Jennifer, I agree. Cognitive diffs. That's true, Solace. It probably is cognitive diffs. They can't understand. They can't. So they can't recognize the reality that they're seeing. They just can't. So there you go. First time is the best time. Blah, blah, blah. Please, everyone remember, demo trade only. I'm not a financial advisor. I just happen to create a fantastic system. That's all. God blessed me. God and God alone blessed me. Period. We have rules. Remember that. This is where some of you are a little confused on these rules. When you see these rules right here, let me be clear on this. When I say there's rules to trading, there's rules to trading. I hope I'm clear. There is literal rules to trading. That's how we're able to make our signal service be so damn good. And when there's rules, you follow every one of the rules. When I tell you this, when I say the most important rule of them all is always thank God, always do good with your profits, and to type out thank God. When I say the most important rule that I have isn't the sniper 1-2 lines, isn't the buy, stop, sell, stop. The most important rule, type out a 7 if you understand the most important rule is you always thank God and do good with your profits. This isn't an optional thing. So you guys think, oh, there's rule step 1, step 2. The most important rule there is of them all. Let me be clear. The most important rules of them all are always thank God and always do good with your profits. This isn't an option. People like to think, oh, well, there's a rule. Here's a rule, sniper rule, re-enter rule, take profit rule. Those aren't the most important rules. This is the most important rules of them all. Always thank God, always do good with your profits. Like some of you are like, well, I might do rule 2. And if Kevin asks something, this now a lot of 7s. Thank you guys, because this is, if you're not thankful to God for what you're seeing and the achievements you're making and all the money you're making, he'll take it away from you in half a second. Always do good with your profits. If you're not always doing good with your profits and you're trying to do evil with your profits, he'll take that away too. I.e., let me be clear on something. This isn't about money. This is about helping other people get through life in a nice way. I start with my family and work my way outwards. Hell, I've helped a family member that wasn't even talking to me for a while, and I still help them out. Why? I believe family first. God's on top, then family. And then, of course, I try to help each and every one of you. Always thank God. Attitude of gratitude, whatever you want to call it. But you have to be thankful and do good with your money while you're here on earth. This is the love of money is the root of all evil. I took me probably 15 years to get over that. I always thought money is the root of all evil. Bible, biblical. It's not. It's the love of money. Meaning, if you put money on top of God, good luck with your life. That's all I can tell you. Period. Poopy man. Yay, precious. Yay, precious. Yay, precious. All right. So I'm going to leave you guys with that thought and looking at this for a minute. I'll be back in about 2, 3, 4 minutes. How do you not love this guy and this system? Good morning, Kevin. Morning, driver. What's up, driver? All right. I'm going to leave you with that saying. Let that sink in. I'll be back in a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and say hi to my lovely wife. All right. You guys chill for a few minutes. I'll be back in a few. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back in the saddle again. We are back in the saddle. Is anyone still here? Good morning, China Bowman. All right. Sorry about that. Not sorry. Spent a little morning time with my beautiful wife. 9:13. Yay. Now I have to go immediately at 9:30. Me and Keith are going to be talking then. We have a few things to finish up for you guys. I'm going to go through market open the best I can. Probably 1 minute in a market open. Then I'm going to call Keith. On vacation time today. Hopping on late. Morning, everyone. Morning, Jackson Andre. Morning, Robel. All right. Morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. We just went over the importance. When I say thanking God and doing good with your profits is the most important rules of them all, they are the most important rules of them all. Do not get confused for 1 second. It isn't green, 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 red, or red, 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 green, or sniper this or sniper that, or step one, step two. Those are your most important rules, period. There is no right here. When it says the most important rules of all are to do those two things, that's they are. Okay. Now, we're going to go ahead and make some call outs, even though we're making shit tons of money all morning long. Thank God. Demo money only. Just been fantastic. Just been we called out SPX trades to the blue line, right? Over and over and over again. NAS trade to the 10 seconds, US 30 trades to 10 seconds. I don't know if we made any money on gold today. Let me see. What were the call outs for gold? I don't remember the gold call outs. Was it 10? I'm sure that was a 3-minute buy. Don't know. We'll have to come back to that one. Fuck it. Let's do gold. How much time we got left? 15 minutes. Let's do a little gold real quick. Nothing. 15 second. Buy. 30-second buy. 1 minute buy, 3-minute buy. It was a 3 minutes. Fill in the gap. 1 minute buy, stop. 1 minute, 3-minute buy, stop. 3-minute fill in the gap. You're going to see this green line go up and kick this yellow. You're going to see this. That's gold. Let me see if I can get us a little better gold. Hold on. Fill in the gap. I already did that. Already gone up on the 1 hour. I'd be careful with that buy because it's already up. It's already up on the 4 hour. Play any buy stop you can on gold. 15 second. 10 second through daily until this pink line goes up and touches the orange line up here on the sniper. It's so weird for me to say orange line on sniper. All right, I am going to have to go right at 9:30. I have to talk to Keith this morning. I don't even know if Keith's up. Boy, I hope he's up. And nope, he might still be sleeping. Oh boy. Keith Rooney. Yeah, he needs his rest. My most memorable birthday. That's interesting. UPS, delivery. Good morning. Let's make some money. We did. Good. All right. We have a few moments before I start calling out US 30 NAS and SPX again. Let me take a quick look at certain things here. 1 minute, no. 3 minute, 5 minute. 5 minute, 3-minute buy stop SPX. 5-minute buy stop NAS. 3-minute buy stop US 30. Matter of fact, there's buy stops in force, just like I said, until SPX hits its 15-minute blue line, which it did, and then until US 30 hits its 15-minute blue line, which it has not yet. And NAS. So this is what we need to have happen. What will happen is buy stop US 30 SPX NAS to the 15-minute blue line of US 30 or NAS. What we need to have happen before then is a pullback. And I think we had it. It might be a little early, 15 minutes out, but let me see something real quick. Can we get it to come down any further prior to open? Yes. Sell on NAS. Sell on NAS 10-second to the 30-second blue line. I couldn't even say it and it did it. Let me see. NAS to the 30-second. Yes. Beautiful. US 30. Yeah. Why not? 5-second, 10-second, 15-second sell stop to US 30, 30-second blue line. 5-second, 10-second, 15-second sell stop to the 30-second blue line of NAS. Look for SPX to fall next. 5-second, 10-second sell stop to the, is it past its 15-second? Oh, it's not even there yet. 15-second blue line on SPX. We can watch this. So just wait right here. Put your sell stop for SPX at 5,358.7. Let's see if it comes back down there. If you don't like playing these 15-second, 10-second, 5 seconds, 30-second sells, then go ahead and jump. Matter of fact, we can jump that up now. Put your sell stop right here at 5,358.8. And then if you don't like playing these 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds sells, then just wait for the 15-minute buys to the blue line on NAS and US 30. Simple as that. So if you don't like playing these sells, then play the buys. I don't care. Or play the longer term buys, which is the daily ones, which you're up hundreds and hundreds and thousands of pips. Well, hundreds and hundreds of pips on right now. All right. Got to call Keith Rooney in just a few minutes. Da, 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 da. Going to trade open for a minute or two. Okay. There. That's the Keith. All right. All right. All right. All right. Good morning, LT. What's up, Matt? Good morning. Good morning. What's up, Azar? Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. We've been making money. 50 pips on US 30, 20, 30 pips on NAS multiple times over and over and over again. SPX, we have some short-term sells to the blue line on SPX, NAS, and US 30. They've already made tons of money. Or if we can get a little more of a pullback, I'll call out a little more entrances for our buy stops. Buy stop US 30 to the 15-minute blue line. Buy stop NAS to its 15-minute blue line. And then we're doing these short-term sells right now before market open. We have about 10 minutes to market open, 9.5 minutes to market open, 9 minutes to market open. You're in the money on this sell that was called out live to you yet again. Take your money out. Again, these would just be ticks you're only going to be getting on SPX because there's not a lot of movement here. Even that big down movement that you're seeing when it comes down, like that's nothing. It's probably not even a full pip, honestly. Now on NAS, it would be in US 30, that same 1-inch movement would be huge, but not SPX. There it is. Blue line, standing ovation again for God in the system. Blue line touch yet again. Called out live. Red, 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 green. Your blue line was high. Pink had crossed. You should have entered there. There it is. Price going down to touch the blue line. These are only 15-second trades. Please do not stay in these trades long at all for any reason. Just you're talking about a scalper's wet dream right here is what you're witnessing. Just take your money, get the fuck out, and close it down. Keith, you're up. Okay. All right. So if you don't want to play these sell stops, then be prepared for your 15-minute buys. I love US 30. I love SPX on the buys. I even love NAS. Fuck yeah, let's do it. There you go. I love these 15-minute buys. Or play the thing. This is your rules for open. Don't play open. Don't trade open. Don't trade open. Okay, now that we're clear on that, if you're going to trade open, you only are allowed to demo trade ever. That's all I ever do. It's all you can ever do. Demo trade only. Understand I'm not a financial advisor. Then understand 7 minutes to market open. Things move fast. Things move furiously around here. Fast and furious. They don't play. This shit is moving quick. I'll be trading inside of candles. That US 30 buy, I love it. I love it. I love it. And I love it some more on the 15-minute. All three indices, 15-minute buy stops. All three indices, 15-minute buy stops. If you're going to play a sell, which I think they're almost, well, do SPX. If you're going to play a sell on these shorter time frames, do a 15-second SPX back to its blue line. I love these buys. If we can get a pullback even further on like a NAS or US 30, I'll let you know. Right now, US 30 NAS buy stop to their 15-minute blue lines. SPX will join it. But I'm going to go ahead and call out a sell if you'd like to try your sells, which we'll see. Sell stop, SPX back to its 15-second blue line for like the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Six times. We absolutely have been just backing up the truck, Brinks truck over here. Buy stop, US 30 to its 15-minute blue line. Buy stop, NAS to its 15-minute blue line. Technically, buy stop, SPX to its 15-minute blue line. I'm just trying to get you guys a little sell in here if we can. But this US 30, fuck that shit. Look at you. I'm telling you. I have one buy open on US 30. I have one sell open on NAS. That's just because it was a long term. Hold on. Sorry. Yeah, I'm up on both, but my NAS will tap out eventually and I'll be left with just my US 30. These are the only two trades I have open in this account. My buy on US 30, and then my from earlier this morning when I went live with you guys first thing, and then my sell on NAS. I still want to see if that NAS 4-hour sell kicks in later before it hits my take profit. Those are my two. Yep. Like it. Now, can we do anything with NAS? Yep. Same thing. We've been in that buy stop from NAS on 8.8, by the way. That's what I made that call out originally. If you'd have listened to me, boop, to here to 400 pips. Holy fucking shit. Oh, love the system. Can you imagine a step-by-step system? Oh, yeah. SPX is going to go back up and touch its 15-minute. It was the first one to do it. How proud am I of SPX? Buy, stop, all three indices before market open. If you want to look for a sell, I'll try to find you one on NAS. I doubt that's going to occur. I will look hard for you, though. I'm telling you, buy NAS. SPX. Buy US 30. Buy NAS. I'm going to look for a sell on SPX. That's it. We'll try to capture some trades in between the movements here. Let me see, 3-minute. Yeah, buy 3-minute US 30. NAS and SPX. That's all we got. I don't think I can get you guys anything else. Nope. 5-second buy stop SPX. 5-second buy stop NAS to the blue line. 5-second buy stop US 30. We need a dip. I would prefer if we can get a pullback on NAS. So if we can get a pullback on NAS, we'll jump into NAS. Either you're in these buys because they're rare. I mean, these are just prime. 15-minute buy stop NAS, 15-minute buy stop US 30, 15-minute buy stop SPX. I can't even call that SPX sell anymore. Nothing I can do. We're going to need a pullback on something. I'm going to look for this pullback on NAS because it went up so much from when I originally called it. I want to see it come down just a little bit before open. So if we can get market price action to do this for us on NAS, let it come down to like that reddish line or right in that gap right there. And then we're going to re-enter. I'll do a trade with you even on a live on that one if we can get that to pull back. So if they go shooting up, nothing I can do for you because I'm calling those buys. If we can get some kind of pullback on, I'll even take a pullback on US 30, where it dips down into that yellow, into our channel. I call it the red, yellow channel right here. Otherwise, you should be in the money already on your US 30 buy. You're in the money. There we go. There it is. Nice. Nice. Buy stop. SPX. Place it right above here. Do we have timer for market open? Buy stop. SPX. Put it right here. Move it down as it goes down. SPX. 15-minute buy. Love that pullback right before open. Market open in a minute and a half, hour and a half. Minute and a half market open. Beautiful little play. That was the SPX sell I was looking for, by the way. Yeah, I'm sure it was. Yeah, back down to its 15-second line. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on. There we go. Yeah, there's that 15-seconder. Excellent. Let me see if we can get a little longer play. Market open in less than a minute. You can do an SPX 5-second, 10-second, 15-second sell stop to the 30-second blue line of SPX. You can do a 30-second. I was waiting. We can do that. I wouldn't. Well, you can if you want to. Buy stop SPX 15-minute, definite buy stop US 30 15-minute. There is a short little sell right here. If you want to take it on SPX, feel free. I'm not calling a sell on NAS. I'm not calling a sell on US 30. Market open. Do not trade it. If you're going to trade it, move fast and furiously. I'm going to be calling out trades in between candles. Market open in 10 seconds. US 30 buy 15-minute. NAS buy 15-minute. SPX sell 30-second. I'm not playing the sell, to be clear on you. Market open, market open, market open. You made money on the US 30 buy. Did it touch its 15-minute? Well, hold on before I get there. 30-second sell. I don't think it hit down. Ugh, we're lagging. There you buy. Buy again on US 30. Let me see how high it went. Did it go up enough? Fuck no. Buy again US 30. Buy right here on US 30. Buy US 30 15-minute. It'll move before 10:15. It might take 45 minutes to get up to this blue line, but it'll move. Buy 15-minute US 30. Just hang out right there. Buy NAS to its 15-minute blue line. Buy SPX. I told you. SPX to its 15-minute blue line. It's a rebound ricochet. You already made money on that buy on SPX. You can close that down if you want. NAS, you would have made money too. I didn't mark it, though. Yep. I said off the yellow line. I should have marked that. I don't know why I didn't mark that. US 30, perfect. Buy, drawing it in for you. Buy off the yellow line right here. Move it down as it goes down. Oh, geez. Come on. Fuck. Buy US 30 to its 15-minute blue line. Buy NAS to its 15-minute blue line, matter of factly. SPX buy, ricochet back to its blue line. It might take to 10:15 before these buys kick all the way in over. That's fine. You can play a little sells. If that SPX hit its 30-second blue line, you could take that money. Yeah. There it goes. Let it come down if it will go there. If not, I don't like the sells as much as I do these buys, but you can play any which way you want. There's your NAS buy. US 30 buys in the money. The US 30 buys in the money. You can close that trade down if you like. Love these trades, though. Just be patient. If you don't like playing the 30-second sell on SPX, don't. I don't like it either. You can play the 15-minute buys. Love those. If you don't like the 15-minute buys, look for a 4-hour sell on SPX. If you don't like those, do the daily, weekly buys. You're already up hundreds of pips on the NAS call. You're in the money on the US 30 buy off the yellow line where I marked it in at. Oh, geez, cut it out. In the money on the buy on US 30. In the money again on the NAS. All right, I'm going to have to go. Fuck. All right, well, good luck on your trades. God bless you on your trades. I'm going to have to run. All right, see you guys on TikTok. Have fun. Good luck. God bless. YouTubers got to go. Got to go now. All right, YouTubers, good luck on everything. God bless. Y'all have a good day. I probably won't even be on later today, to be honest with you. We'll see. Kim the candle. It's dipping on NAS. Thank you, Kev. Thank you, Kev. Thank you, Kev. You're welcome, y'all.